Hey everybody, this is Jake from Snippet, and I'm excited to show you the new Snippet editor. Now when you add a chapter, you're going to get a little bit different view. It looks way more simple, much more like our reading experience. You can add your titles right here, and you get an option for a little subtitle that drops down. Up at the top here, you see we've got this little option for header image, a more button, and kind of your basic toolbar down at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just paste in some content so you can see what it looks like. You can see all the styles, just like in our reading experience, come through beautifully. Everything's much more kind of viewing it as it's going to be on the end experience in the app. You'll see to add header images is really simple. Just click on the header image there, find the image you want to add, and drop it in. It'll load up and just simply input right in place. To add your styles, it's basically the same. Select the text you want to change, grab your styles, whether it be block quote or header item, or maybe an inline style like bold or italic. You've got your lists and your hyperlinking, and you'll notice that we've got this great little thing happening where if we delete some content down here at the bottom, it's just going to go ahead and autosave for us. So no more worrying about saving, which is awesome. To add discoverables like photos, video, audio, or social, just click this big beautiful button right here and select which one you'd like to add. We'll throw some photos in here. How about some cats? You'll see it loads up pretty quick, and then you just get a nice little preview of what it's going to look like. If you want to add more, there's an option for that. You can just select whether it's shareable or add a description. Just go ahead and click out of it and it'll close back down, and you'll be able to add a caption. And if you want to click to edit, you can always bring it back up. You can change out photos or delete them. One of the other cool things is this nice little more button over here. When you click on that, that's going to bring up your new sidebar where you can preview the chapter, get back home, delete a chapter, or add a nice chapter cover. And that's just going to be a full screen preview. Basically right before somebody gets to that chapter. You can always delete that later. And you can also jump from chapter to chapter, so if you want to add a chapter, we'll add chapter 2 here. And then jump back to our first chapter. So a nice easier way to navigate between your chapters. You'll see this is the chapter we just created with our lovely cats. So that's basically it. Just a really beautiful way to add your content, to style it, to edit it. Jump into Snippet and check it out. Thanks.